The Philippines is a country comprised of numerous islands situated in the Western Pacific. This region is renowned for having one of the longest combined coastlines globally, thanks to its collection of 7,000 tropical islands. These islands are home to breathtaking coral reefs and offer exceptional opportunities for diving. Additionally, visitors can encounter remarkable wildlife such as whale sharks and dugongs, as well as explore the picturesque mountainous tropical rainforests. The Filipino people are known for their warm and friendly nature, always wearing a smile and exhibiting generosity. Travelers can easily find flights to major cities like Manila or Cebu, and transportation between the islands is readily accessible via planes, cars, trains, or ferries. Now let's take a closer look at some of the top destinations worth visiting in the Philippines. Number 9. Palawan, an island province in the Philippines, is renowned as one of the top travel destinations in the country. Spanning from Mindoro to Borneo and bordered by the South China and Sulu Seas, Palawan offers a diverse range of attractions. The provincial capital, Puerto Princesa, is known for its proximity to impressive karst formations and an underground river. One of the most sought-after experiences in Palawan is diving at Coron Reefs on Busuanga Island. This popular spot attracts divers eager to explore the remnants of Japanese shipwrecks from World War II. Another must-visit destination is El Nido, a picturesque town nestled between magnificent limestone karst cliffs and the stunning Bacuit Bay. Number 8. Vigan, a trip to the Crisologo. Saint area of this town feels like taking a step back in time to the colonial era. Horse-drawn carriages traverse the cobblestone streets, while elegant mansions made of dark wood stand on either side, serving as reminders of the luxurious lifestyle that many experienced in this Spanish trading post. During that period, valuable commodities such as beeswax and gold were exchanged with China for unique Asian goods. Currently, tourism is the primary source of income for this port city, yet traces of its trading past remain. Vigan boasts two distinct areas, a shopping center in the north and a business district in the south. Visitors can delight in exploring museums housed within several of the grand mansions, as well as St. Paul's Cathedral and the Mestizo district. Number 7. Bohol, the minuscule tarsier, with its large orange eyes and small fingers, acts as the representative for the island of Bohol. Located just a short distance from Cebu, this area remains one of the last habitats for this tiny primate. The extraordinary geological phenomenon known as the Chocolate Hills is another attraction for those who are not interested in diving. According to legend, these hills were created by rocks hurled by an enraged giant. However, most visitors come to this region to experience the awe-inspiring diving opportunities it offers. Bohol serves as the starting point for exploring the marine reserves surrounding Pangalo and Pamlican Islands. Number 6. Manila. This bustling Asian metropolis serves as the capital of the Philippines, the main entry point for most tourists, and an opportunity to immerse oneself in a rich tapestry of both modern and traditional culture. Manila offers a wide array of attractions, from towering skyscrapers that can be admired on a guided tour to historic landmarks that harken back to the turn of the century, perfect for those who prefer to explore at their own pace. When it comes to food, Manila does not disappoint. Whether indulging in street food from a local vendor or dining at a high-end restaurant, the culinary scene is diverse and exceptional. The cuisine represents a fusion of Spanish, indigenous, and Chinese influences that have shaped the flavors of this island nation. One of the great things about Manila is that there is never a dull moment. The city hosts nearly 24 annual festivals throughout the year, ensuring that there is always something to celebrate and participate in. No matter when you choose to visit Manila, you can be sure that there will be a vibrant and lively atmosphere. Number 5. Cebu, located in the Philippines, is an archipelago composed of the main island and 167 surrounding islands. The capital, Cebu City, holds the distinction of being the oldest city in the Philippines and is also home to the second international airport in the country. Cebu City offers a vibrant urban experience reminiscent of Manila, albeit on a smaller scale. It boasts a blend of modern and traditional elements, providing visitors with a diverse range of cultural and cutting-edge attractions. One of the advantages of Cebu is its proximity to Matcan Island, which is renowned for its exceptional dive sites and can be easily reached from the international airport. Another must-visit diving destination in Cebu is Malapascua Island, situated approximately 4 hours away from the port town of Maya. Accessible only by boat, it is considered one of the top dive sites in the Philippines and is well worth the journey. Number 4. Mindoro. Mindoro is a captivating island comprising two distinct regions, Mindoro Oriental and Mindoro Occidental, which are geographically separated by a towering mountain range. The northern part of the island is predominantly remote, serving as the ancestral home to the indigenous Mangayan tribe. For diving enthusiasts, embarking on this journey is highly recommended, as the town of Sablayan serves as the gateway to Pangan Island and the unspoiled Apo Reef Marine Natural Park. Given that there is only one resort available on the island, it is advisable to make reservations in advance. In Mindoro Oriental, the focal point for tourism is the charming town of Puerto Galera. This coastal gem is an idyllic beach destination, boasting a range of resorts and pristine white sand beaches for water enthusiasts. For those who prefer exploring on land, there are jeep excursions, lush rainforests adorned with orchids, kayaking opportunities along rivers, and breathtaking waterfalls that await the adventurous souls in the group. Number 3. Banway. The rice terraces in Banway, made of mud walls, are a compelling reason to embark on a bus journey from Manila to this distinctive indigenous town. This agricultural engineering marvel was constructed 2,000 years ago and has been passed down through generations. While the tranquil and awe-inspiring fields alone would be sufficient to make this a must-visit destination, the captivating wooden sculptures of rice guardians add even more value to the trip. These ancient and rudimentary carvings bear resemblance to tikis and are believed to safeguard the crops from any harm. Although tourism has brought the Western world to an ancient way of life and has created a thriving tourist market in the area, there are opportunities to explore less frequented towns, where rice cultivation remains the cornerstone of their economy. This offers those seeking a more authentic experience a chance to immerse themselves in the local culture. Number 2. Boracay. This island is adorned with endless stretches of pristine white sand beaches, offering a picturesque setting for colorful outrigger sailboat rides and boasting an array of beautiful resorts. Renowned by travel review sites as consistently ranking among the top 3 beaches in the world, Boracay exudes a captivating charm. The central part of White Beach, which is the most populous region on the island, provides abundant opportunities for indulging in delectable cuisine, thrilling adventures, enjoyable shopping, and lively public celebrations. As one ventures further away from the bustling central area, more secluded options come into view, albeit with fewer amenities. Accommodation choices range from budget shacks to luxurious full-service resorts. However, the allure of the island's white sandy beaches, crystal-clear turquoise waters, and enchanting atmosphere remains accessible to all visitors. Number 1. Tagaytay. The Taal volcano, situated majestically above Tagaytay town, is a blend of active and extinct craters that form a captivating array of must-visit spots. Lake Taal is ensconced within the former Taal volcano crater, while the central island in the lake houses the presently active volcano craters, which emit steam on specific days. Those who have yet to witness the unspoiled beauty of a crater lake firsthand will be astounded by its immaculate allure. The extensive Tagaytay town stretches along this ridge and is renowned for its cleanliness, laid-back atmosphere, and its appeal to food enthusiasts. Notable tourist attractions within the town include the Punta de Santiago Lighthouse, St. Anne Shrine, and the expansive local flower farm.